Alright, now we have the knowledge of elements, tags, and attributes. So from here onwards, we will start writing our code. To start writing HTML code, we need a document. HTML documents are simply a plain text editor saved with a .html file extension. Therefore, the very first thing we'll do is create an index.html file. Here I have already one index.html file, but if you are working locally, you will need to create a folder in your computer and open it inside a code editor. For example, VS Code, Sublime, Atom, etc. And then create a file with .html file extension inside the folder. Okay, once everything is set up, let's display something on our page, maybe a hello world. Hello world. Now save the document and open it inside a browser. Great, this is our very first web page. But there is a problem with this page right now because the content on this page has no meaning. As we have already discussed that to provide meaning to any content on a page, we need to wrap it inside a tag. Therefore, we will set up a standard HTML document and then keep our content inside a proper tag. And the standard HTML document looks something like this, which we require every time we create a page. The standard HTML document always starts with a doctype, which tells the version of HTML we are using. There are different versions of HTML. For example, we have XHTML, XHTML 1.1, HTML 2.0, HTML 4.0. Currently, we are using HTML5 version. Different version requires different declaration. For example, this is the declaration of 4.01 and this is the declaration of XHTML 1.1 and this is the HTML5 declaration. As HTML5 is the latest version, we will use this declaration. Rest of the things remain same for each and every version. From here, HTML code starts. This is the HTML tag, which is also known as root element. The HTML tag may have a lang attribute that tells the language of the content used on the page. Inside the HTML opening and closing tag, there are two most important tag comes, that is head tag and a body tag. Head stores extra information required to create a page. Inside the head tag, this is the meta and the title tag. Meta character set UTF-8 tells the character encoding of the page, and the title, that is hello world, will appear on the browsers tab. Other informations may also come inside the head tag. For example, link tag to connect CSS file and some other meta information that we will see later on. After the head tag, we have a body tag. All the visible content goes inside this tag. So whatever the content we want to display on our page, we will always keep them inside the body tag. Now let's write our first standard HTML document and then display something on our page. Now let's get rid of this hello world and start writing our HTML document. Doctype HTML, HTML tag, lang attribute. Inside this we have head and body tag. Inside the head tag we have meta character set UTF-8 and a title tag. And inside the body tag, let's keep our hello world inside a h1 tag, which is used for heading purpose. Now again, save the document and check out the result. Great, this is the hello world. Now this hello world has some meaning, that is heading.